Till now we have learned what is skeleton system and what are the functions of the skeleton system. Now let us learn about the new topic called joints. Okay, let us do some activity. Now everybody stretch your hand, fold like this, again stretch, again fold, do like this. Are you able to do it? Right? Now do it in the same way with your fingers, open, close, open, close. Okay, try to get up and try to bend. Just bend down, touch the ground. Are you able to do? Yes, we are able to do all these things, right? Then, if we have all bones in our body, how we are able to do? Right? We have to get a question, right? If we are having bones all over our body, how we are able to do? Now, if you try to bend your fingers like this, see, you are able to bend your fingers. You can bend like this, do like this. All sort of things, right? Now see, just take your finger, try to bend like this. See, you can find two like structures coming like this. If you bend, you can find like this, right? This part is called as joint. Okay, joint is nothing but where two bones are joined. Now if you do, see, you are able to do like this, right? Now, here is a bone, here is a bone. In between, there is a joint. Okay? So, that is the reason why you are able to fold it. Understood? So, joint is nothing but where the two bones are attached together. Okay? See, a joint is the meeting point of two bones held together by strong tissue called ligaments. So now this is one bone, this is another bone. Now these two bones are joined by a tissue called ligament, which is very strong. See, that is the reason why you are able to bend. This is a different bone, this is a different bone. Two different bones where they meet. They have a tissue called as ligament. This portion, this part, this is called as joint. Okay? Now, we have two types of joints. Movable joints and immovable joints. Okay, what do you mean by movable? Movable means if you can move. Movable is nothing but if you can move. Immovable is opposite of movable. Immovable is which you can't move. Okay? Now, movable joints. We have four types of movable joints and one type of immovable joints. Now let us understand what are all these joints. I hope you all understood what are different types of joints. Now let us go into our next topic, muscle and movements. Now if you touch, you can feel something soft apart from hard. You can also feel something soft, right? What is the soft portion? The soft portion is called as muscle. There are about 650 muscles in our body. What is the use of these muscles? They help in this movement. They help in, like, if you have all bones, it will poke us, right? See, when all bones are visible, it looks so bad, right? We also require muscles for easy movement and also they are soft. Now, muscles are attached to the bones by strong fiber called tendons. So now, when you have a bone like this, upon the bone you have this muscle. You have bones, muscle, and then above that you have skin. Okay? Now, this bone and muscle are attached with the help of a strong fiber called tendons. Now, if you take, for example, you like if you give an activity to cut and paste the pictures. What will you do? You will cut the pictures. You will paste the pictures on the paper with the help of fevicol. Okay? In the same way, your bone and your muscle is joined together with the help of tendons. Okay? What are these tendons? Tendon is nothing but it joins bone and muscle. So, muscles are attached to the bones by a strong fiber called tendon. Okay, tendons. Now, we have three different types of muscles. Now, let us see what are they. Voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles and cardiac muscles. Okay, let us understand what do you mean by voluntary. Voluntary means which you can do on your own. Okay, voluntary is you know to your consciousness, so you do the work according to that. That is called as voluntary. Involuntary is opposite of voluntary. Unknowingly, without knowing, you will do. You can't even stop that. Voluntary, you can stop. Right? Okay. Now, cardiac muscles are another type of muscles. So now let us understand what do you mean by voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles means the muscles which we can control. If I want to walk, I will walk. If I don't want to walk, I will stand. If I want to stretch my hand, I will stretch. If I don't, I will not stretch. These are the examples of voluntary muscles. Means the actions of your muscles are under your control. Involuntary muscles means the actions who are not in your control. Like for example, if you eat food, the food goes into our stomach, right? There are some muscles which allow this food to go into your stomach. You can't stop those muscles, right? When you are eating food, after eating, you can't stop. No, muscle, please don't move. Stop like that only. I don't want to swallow food now. Will it accept? You got your food up to here, and if you ask the muscle to stop working, will it stop? No, you will swallow. Right? In the same way, if you breathe in, if you take the oxygen in and if you send out the carbon dioxide, there are some muscles over here. Right? Can you control those muscles? If you breathe in air and you say, lung muscles, please don't move. I don't want to take out the air. I don't want to take out the carbon dioxide. Please stay like that. If you tell, will it accept? Will it stay normal? No. Even though you try to stop, we can't do it. Right? So we breathe in, we breathe out. The muscles which we can't control are called as involuntary muscles. Now, what are cardiac muscles? Cardiac, the word cardiac means heart. Okay, remember the word cardiac means heart. The muscles which are present in our heart are called as cardiac muscles. Now, what is the use of these cardiac muscles? These cardiac muscles, they continuously, they pump the blood. See, they move like this. They close, they open. They close, they open. When they do like this, what happens? It pumps the blood all over your body. Okay? These are the cardiac muscles. So we have three types of muscles. One is voluntary, involuntary and cardiac. Voluntary muscles are the muscles which you can control, the movements which you can control. Involuntary are the muscles which you can't control, the actions or the movements which are not under your control. Cardiac muscles are the muscles which are related to heart. The muscles present in the heart are called as cardiac muscles. Okay? I hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you.